Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with a hair tutorial. So I am not doing a dramatic look or anything. I did a little basic everyday look. I didn't like my beat because today I didn't do my face method where I usually use this to get out all the oils in my face, and sometimes I use alcohol. So the products was just like really oily today, and when I tried to set it, it doesn't look matte. You know, I love a matte look. I just know my work, so you already know I'm a perfectionist. So nonetheless, it goes right with this look. This hairstyle is so perfect. I'm trying to keep this right here because I don't know, this piece was supposed to go right there, but then mama cut that. I didn't take the glue off. Y'all, I be trying to melt my lace, but it don't look bad. It don't look bad. I be having a hard time with like really trying to get it to look like it's coming out my skin. I just need help. I got the plucking. I think the plucking is really nice, y'all. I think the plucking is really nice. My mom sounded nice. It's just that I just want to get it where it's no line of demarcation. Today's video is sponsored by Asteria hair, and I've tried them before. I've tried them so many times. I really love their hair. It's really soft. If you are looking for some hair that is like really flowy and bouncy, really soft, that'll last you for a long time, Asteria is the way to go. Packaging now, y'all, like I never see the packaging to look like this. It's always been in the box, but this is so pretty. For my birthday, I want emerald green and nude, like, and these is the colors that I got on, and like blonde hair. I don't know, it's just like, I don't know, it's like those colors, and I want to wear those colors for my birthday in the summertime. And it came with a hair wrap, y'all. Like, Asteria is like really showing out today. Asteria was kind enough to send me over 3 bundles and a frontal, y'all, and there was a 20, 22, a 24-inch, and I think a 20-inch frontal. Don't get me wrong, all the links to the hair will be in the description right below, and also the lens. Don't forget to go check them out, and I hope that you enjoyed this installation and mini makeup tutorial in this video. Don't forget to go follow me on all social media sites like Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. And until then, I'll see you in the next hair slay video. Alright, y'all, let's get started. So right here, I'm showing you how I plucked this frontal, y'all. This frontal looks so nice, and I love the way it was plucked, y'all. Okay, my plucking game is about to be strong as fuck. However, overall, this frontal looks really nice versus from back in the day frontals when I used to get AliExpress hair. The frontal looks very thin, like it will run onto your skin. It's just me. I don't know how to actually lay the lace, but yeah. Alright, so looking now, this is what Asteria sent me all in this bag. 3 bundles of frontal, a wig cap, and also a hair wrap band to melt that lace. So right here, what I want to show you is how to properly lay your wig cap. I never knew this until now. Going into the frontal part, so this is how I was messing up when I first started, but I know everybody has their mistakes. But right here, I am trying to show you how to lay the frontal. So you're going to stick a pin in the middle piece and actually size the frontal to see if it's even on each side. Stick a pin in the middle, stick a pin on each side, and then those flappy parts, don't try to make it stretch out to where it is like laying flat. That's fine. Leave it like that. Take those flappy parts and pin them down. So now you see the back area where you're going to sew it down is laying flush and flat, and the front is going to lay perfectly. Any excess, because that is only excess that you pin down those flappy parts, you're going to cut it off on the ear tab area. And that's simply how you lay a frontal before you start sewing the bundles. I'm so sorry that it got so bright. I don't know, the camera adjustments, I probably was doing something with it. But right now she is going to sew this frontal down towards the back. And what she's going to do to make it look flush and flat is she's going to basically sew a needle on each side and meet in the middle of that frontal to make everything flat. Right here is a 24-inch bundle that they sent. So it's 20, 22, and 24. So you start off with the longest one first. Right here, she's going to single track the first bundle, then the second bundle, she's going to double, and then at the top, she's going to single. So right here, since it's going to be redundant, it's just the same thing over and over again. She's going to understitch. She never understitched before on camera, so she's going to do it now because what understitch does, it makes the bundles lay flatter than overstitch. It makes it a little humpier. So you get what I'm saying. But she's going to do the same thing until she gets to a certain point, and I'm going to come back when she gets to the top area to let you know what she's doing. Alright, so you can mark your stitches all around before you start even sewing, but right here she wanted to mark the stitches before she starts laying the tracks. So this is where you're going to lay your tracks flat. So you see that one round piece all the way to the frontal, all the way to the other side. She stopped right there, basically on the hump of the head, and now she's going to lay the tracks all the way until she gets to the frontal part to close everything in. Yes, I'm looking pretty bald headish, but that's the bald cap method. But before we lay this frontal down, we want to take off the excess of the cap so that we can lay this frontal down flat and flush. Alright, so all I did was took the cap that they gave in the Asteria bag, and I sprayed some gas to be glue all the way around, the spray can, all the way around behind the ears, even behind the head, just so that my cap can stay on. Because you know, I hate when I see caps that lift up and like roll up. That is annoying to me. So I try my best. See, I'm a perfectionist, so I don't know. I just have to have my cap look really nice and laid down. I don't want to see no roll up. So that's all I did, and I set it under the dryer until it got really hard. And I also went ahead and sprayed my lace with some lace tint with Sienna from Briana Cosmetics. I did this on Instagram. Eric and Tay uses them. They're bundles, and I think they got lace paint. Well, they have lace paint, so there it is right there. So previous before laying this wig down, I did apply some bow hole glue, the active glue, and what I'm doing is trying to really get the front part of where the hairline starts onto the glue. I try my best, y'all. But that's what I'm trying to do, and I am taking a comb to try to lay it really flat. But like, man, I wish that we didn't really have to cut this lace because it looks really good. Like, you don't see no line of demarcation because it's lace. But yeah, it looks really good though. I love how it came out. Yes. I'm going to lay the Asteria wrap down and sit on the dryer for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So right here, what you're going to do is take a razor or some scissors. My mom took a razor and then she went in with scissors. And then we're going to take away that lace, y'all, so that we can see that melt. It looked really good right here, but then when I started to put my makeup on, the glue started showing and everything. But okay, y'all get the gist. So now we're gonna start putting layers in the hair. Just take your scissors, take sections of hair, cut down, and there's layers. And you can even cut layers when you're done doing the curls or whatever you're doing. Now it's time for the pin curls. So she's taking an IQ curler. I don't know. It's Hot Tools. I think it's Hot Tools, but I think it's IQ. I don't know. I will ask her and I will leave it in the description right below. But she's taking these, and you're gonna see how she curls and pins them. I can explain just to look and learn. But that way, and then I'm gonna start my makeup. I'm not gonna explain my makeup because it's so basic. You've seen so many videos on how I apply basic makeup, so I will leave it at the top of this video on the iCard so that you can go check it out and hear me explain what to do. So now we're going to start taking the pins out, and that's going to be the final look.